Hello YouTube, what should be the amount of salt in fresh and processed foods? Many do not realize that modern food is oversaturated with salt. People who do not monitor the amount of salt in the diet can imperceptibly increase their daily salt intake to 30 to 40 grams per day. Many foods contain salt in large quantities, although this may not be noticeable at first glance. Even if we do not sprinkle vegetables or meat with salt, we still use it in a hidden form. Salt is present in large quantities in marinades, canned food or sausages, not to mention potato chips. The use of salted food contributes to high blood pressure, the development of heart disease, atherosclerosis. This is because salty foods provoke thirst and retain water in the body. The work of blood vessels in the heart worsens, blood clotting changes, edema is formed, the function of the kidneys and liver is impaired. Also, the body ages faster due to excessive salt intake. But you can't live without salt at all. A complete rejection of the use of salt leads to negative consequences for the body. For example, a lack of sodium chloride causes apathy, rapid fatigue, depression and weakness in the muscles. Metabolism is disturbed both from excess and from lack of salt. Therefore, in a normal state of health, you just need to limit salt intake to the daily allowance. Sometimes salt-free diets are used for quick weight loss. Unfortunately, the effect of reducing body weight will be achieved by removing fluid from the body, which is not always useful and safe. The amount of salt added to food should not exceed 5 grams, which is 1 teaspoon per day. In summer, due to increased sweating, this need increases somewhat. Do not completely exclude salt from the diet, consume it within the daily allowance. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.